Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on lithium finance.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and we are going to be talking about the cryptocurrency today. And as you guys know, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and enjoy.
So as you can see from looking at the Coinmarketcap, it has a very low market cap of $21 million, and it's currently 3 cents. And we are currently basically at the bottom right now. Um, if we see here, we are almost pretty much at the bottom right now of this price. Obviously, this was at the beginning, so it doesn't really count. But from here upwards, we're pretty much at the bottom now. So we could be seeing an easy 2 to 5x here from where we are, especially where Bitcoin is right now is $66,000 at the point of recording this video, or 64,000, sorry. But as you can see, the peak here for its all-time high was 5.8 cents, which would make it almost a 2x from where we are right now, and that would mean we need about another $20 million to flow into the market for us to reach that all-time high. Maybe a bit less, but 20 million isn't actually too much at all. When you're talking about crypto, as you can see, its total market cap is $2.6 trillion now. So 20 million of that is literally nothing. So obviously that's with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the top 10 coins. But definitely with what this coin does, as we get into the video, you'll understand that it's definitely possible. So let's get straight into the video.
Okay, so as you guys can see here on their website, they have got a pretty nice website, to be honest with you. It's called Lithium, and Lithium Finance uses collective intelligence to price the unpriced. So you can also read their light paper if you wanted to, and it's literally just listed on their website. So if you want to check that out, make sure you check that out. And as you can see, they have got a pricing illiquid assets is difficult and expensive. So currently, data oracles do not provide regular updated pricing for private companies, and this is a problem that you may experience. So in fact, the only way to price an liquid asset is through an expensive and slow valuation process. So this limits the pricing to only very highly valued assets. Okay, so as you can see here, Lithium is the first protocol to regularly price illiquid assets. So there's no other cryptocurrency that can actually do this. And Lithium can do this quickly and inexpensively, enabling price discovery for illiquid assets, just like stocks, okay? And Lithium's proprietary consensus mechanism sets the foundation for real assets like DeFi. And this is basically their protocol, as you can see here. And how it basically works is that you pose a question and you can stage Lithium, and that'll go to a crowd of wisdom nodes. The wisdom nodes basically provides answers with a stake of confidence, such as brokers and okay. So this is the usage of their token. So bounty for those seeking answers, taken for experts to signal confidence levels of their questions, and reward for correct answers. So you get rewarded if you answer a question correctly, basically.
So they have two case studies, as you can see. The first one being price at a pre-IPO company, and finding daily pricing of a private company. So say a wisdom seeker wants to know what a pre-IPO company might price on IPO. They pose this question to Lithium. Finance post bounty, say $100 in Lithium tokens. Then Wisdom nodes, so the analysts, investors, and others, provide answers and stake their answer to provide a confidence rating in their results. And then thirdly, answers are aggregated, and a subset of answers are selected randomly by the protocol to create the final answer. Once the final answer is revealed, the source is also visible to enable verification of valid answers. Final scores are calculated using the DMI mechanism algorithms. And fourthly, final answer is available on a regular basis, enabling frequent pricing of an illiquid asset. And then this is optional, which is once the ground truth is revealed, pricing of the IPO example, the rewards are paid out to those who are closest, and the reputation of the wisdom nodes, experts, and oracles are updated. And then the case study 2 for finding daily pricing of a private company is firstly, a wisdom seeker wants to know what the price is per share of a private company is today, same as the last one. They pose this question to Lithium Finance along with a bounty, say $100 in lithium tokens, along with a daily time limit. And then number 2, wisdom nodes, analysts, investors, and others provide answers and state their answers. So it's basically the exact same thing, and then aggregated answers are pulled together, and a subset of answers are selected blindly and randomly by the protocol. Scores and reputations are updated, and final prices are shown daily. So this is a way to get some quick rewards out of it, as was mentioned up here. So it's basically kind of like a guessing game, as you can see. So as you can see, they have many investors, and you may recognize some of their names here, such as Almeida Research, Hubu. Oh, sorry about that. So you may recognize some of the investors here, such as Alameda Research, Huobi DeFi Labs, NGC Ventures, Longhash Ventures, Kinetic, Coin98, Gate.io, huge one. As you can see, DuckDAO. So there's nothing really to be afraid of by buying into this coin. It has a lot of people backed by it. All these big companies. You can look into each and every one yourself and find out who's behind those. But also make sure before you do invest in this coin, you need to look into the founders yourself. We don't do this because we feel it's important you do a bit of research yourself before you do invest into a coin, just because it's the safest thing you can do. So make sure you go to the website and you research into David Lighton, Steve Derezinski, but yeah, research into these people. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out. We're really close to 400 subscribers, and that would be a huge milestone for us to hit. And yeah, that'd be really appreciated, and have a lovely rest of your day.